there before the start of the show. Pleasant howdy do to everybody. How are you? People in the diaspora watching us on One Swat Media. To all the people on our Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, Twitter. What else them up on Jody?
They're everywhere.
Everywhere that we are.
Into your yard.
Oi!
Because we're in some people's living rooms,
Yes.
we're in some people's bedrooms. You understand from the other day, we're also in some people's bathrooms. In the mornings, that's cool. It is Tuesday, April 10. Give us a little respect and some time. We'll give you a lot of it. We're here until 8:30 this morning. Welcome to Smile, Jamaica. It is morning time. You know,
Yes.
It's going to be a long day for me.
Today?
Picking out, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Because we have SCQ tonight. So that's going to be
yes.
a big deal.
Yes.
Campion and Saint-Gergo.
Yes.
I'm going to go at it tonight at 8:30
Yes.
on TVJ. So I will leave our work I go on today.
It would appear so.
Good evening.
Yeah.
So Murphy start work with you early this morning, man. Are you friends?
It's just a weird thing.
Yeah.
I took my car to the alignment stand, which is like a walk away from my house, yesterday evening. Got it aligned and washed. Drove back home. And then I get up this morning and the tire flat like a pancake. So I just kind of wonder if the people when I wash it are up on the alignment stand never see something in the tire.
Maybe it was picked up there, and then by the time we got home is when it started to shh. Because you wouldn't see it immediate.
Even if it pick up there, when
They're not
you
gonna
wash it, you know.
They're not going to know.
Me not say I did. Aubrey before
Aubrey work at the alignment
Paula Llewellyn, before you take me on, I didn't say they saw it and did not tell me. I said, I'm asking if you know, I'm wondering did they see it or not. If they said they didn't see it, me can go over there go lock them up feet. Me just I said this morning when me get
everybody
no, not everybody. It's a man's
jury.
response. Men have a response to certain things when women talk about cars
Same.
that I have now come to accept. That everything that's wrong with a woman car, a man say, I just care. Make her for them care. The world is coming to an end. Me I tell you, me had a break on my windscreen. And one said, make it stay, but I waste money if you go fix it. Then his windscreen broke, he changed it 2 days
because
time.
it was shatter.
2 days time. And I said, then, your windscreen. The shatter is a problem, but my own.
You can drive.
I saw car stay, them things that happen. So it's okay, gentlemen. I understand where you're coming from.
So long and short of it, Delia walked to work this morning.
Long and short of it, me not care what they want to say about my tire. Me come out this morning at the flat and me go vent.
Up Porsche Simsamela Square.
Yeah.
Up through off a tree.
I forgot go back home and now forgot to take off the tire and fix the tire.
Onto Beach Road.
And me have things to go do.
Here she is. So she did a 10K
You'll
this
do
morning.
what, Aubrey? You will change it for me?
Will you take her over when the show is finished?
Simone.
You don't want to ride?
Simone.
You prefer to go back a taxi?
Simone. The tire then not change between now and Christmas.
Please let us know how that turns out. Seriously. I think he's serious though.
Aubrey?
Seems like a real promise.
A good thing. I know if you change me one tire. Yeah. I do, by the way. I do, by the way, Aubrey.
Okay. Well, so much for your offer.
No, man. You know, this Arrow not offer. That's a little about Arrow.
Reasonable.
Arrow is just a miserable man and him not try to be anything else.
That's right. He doesn't pretend. All right, guys. Here is what's coming up on our show this morning. We're glad you made it, though, lady, and safely. For several years, toxic fumes have plagued the Cornwall Regional Hospital, and recently the issue has gotten worse, it seems. But is it a case of mismanagement by health officials? We've got that talk coming up.
Serious
Very.
talk. I'll admit I wasn't paying attention as I should. And I think Cornwall should open up the discussion for other facilities and what's happening
there.
in health across Jamaica.
True.
Does clothes really make the woman? Dr. Carla Dunbar will weigh in on American pastor Geno Jennings' controversial comments about fashion-forward females in the church. I just want to ask Pastor if he wears colored clothing too.
But you know what? Based on Pastor's description, then, like, we would be categorized as, you know, what he said.
No, you can't categorize me. I just want to Pastor wear color too.
We
Because
can
Pastor say a woman wear color, make her
clothing.
a certain type of woman.
Yeah.
That means Pastor no wear colored tie and colored things too.
I think he said colored makeup and
It calls for a lot of questions, like, did Pastor go out and do a survey of these types of women to know that that's what they look like?
You mean, did he do his research?
Did Pastor read the Bible about the wonderful woman at the well? I don't
like
know.
The
Pastor,
woman
sometimes, I know I have passion for things, but sometimes when I ask God for
I was seeking
touch on them before I release certain things. Because, amen. One other Elsa come on the program?
Okay. Every bride wants the stylish stand out on her big day.
Yeah.
We'll have tips on how to choose your dream wedding dress.
Well, I say every bride. Some brides.
You want the perfect dress?
Some brides don't want to put on a big dress and get married. And
You don't have to be big, you just have to be nice.
Some brides
You have
don't
to be big
care.
and poofy.
We must stop it. Some brides don't care, and it's okay not to care. Some brides just want to walk down the registry in them jeans and them shirts and get married.
That's okay too.
And that's okay.
Whatever is good for you.
And we say, all brides. Then somebody said, then, like, I'm in a care, am I a bad bride? No. So most brides, or some
I
brides.
think it's that you don't care.
And these folks said I do after sharing a bond over being above average height. Really?
What?
Keep watching for Keisha and Wilco Van Cleef Bolton's story of being one of the world's tallest couples.
Wow. Sounds interesting. How tall are you? How tall are you?
6 feet.
Me too.
No, but it's all right.
I'm 5'9" and a
I've been
half.
a reach 5'6".
5'7".
And me loving it just the way me.
I know. All right, so from one of the tallest couples in the world, one of the longest shows on local TV, the Schools Challenge Quiz Finals are on tonight. We will have all the exciting details. Call it, Delia, call it.
What Schools Challenge Quiz?
Jago. I know what you're going to say.
What am I going to say?
I say Jago.
No, Mr. TVJ.
No, I didn't ask you that. Come, call it. Campion or Jago? Good call.
I really want to say anybody that wins, I'm okay with it.
All right, good. That's a good answer. Okay. Good answer.
I will be truthful and say I've not necessarily been following the competition as I should.
You don't need to follow.
So I don't have enough information to call it.
Campion is a strong school,
but
Jago is a strong school.
Them reached the finals.
Hasn't Campion been here Campion was in the finals 4 times? Was it last year?
And St. Jago has been in how many times?
I feel like I've seen Campion every year.
Hey, School Challenge Quiz training is my sister went to St. Jago, you know. And when them used to train at evening time, you know. You used to go there and sit down with them all evenings.
Yep.
It's fun. It was fun.
Yep.
So congrats to both teams.
Rather well done.
To a
Ding
dinger.
dong. Yes.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Dennis Hall would say a ding dong.
Well, a dinger we'll head towards now with these hot topics.
All right, so let's go. She's there.
Zingers.
All right.
Everything happening hot in Jamaica now.
Lots of drama, eh?
Yeah.
My word. So the trial of the 3 soldiers who were accused of murdering businessman Keith Clark turned into a bit of a legal drama yesterday after lawyers for the JDF appeared in court with immunity certificates that were signed by the former Minister of National Security, Peter Bunting. After 6 years of delay, Corporal Odell Buckley, Lance Corporal Greg Tingling, and Private Arnold Henry, they were scheduled to stand trial for that shooting, which happened in 2010, March 27. But then the JDS attorney came with this certificate of immunity. DPP, Paula Llewellyn, she had a real issue with that. She raised a number of questions about the certificates. She questioned the former minister's actions and went on to say, my learned friends at the JDF have not provided one scintilla of evidence that the soldiers were acting in good faith. There is no affidavit which can attest to the authenticity of these copy documents, because apparently what was produced in court were photocopies of the original documents. So that took a turn that some did not see coming.
Well, former Minister Bunting is here. So if we don't believe in the authenticity of the document, then I can ask him.
He spoke out yesterday and said that he was actually within the purview of...
So it is authentic. He did sign.
He said he did.
All right, so that's one thing through the window. It's an interesting...
Shock
because how long have they been in court? Years.
It's the first time. They just gone to court yesterday. Yeah. So,
I don't know, 6 years of delay. And then we find out that they had a certificate of immunity 6 years later. I just want to say, the wheels of justice in this country need a little WD-40.
Them flat like a tire out her door. Let me tell you.
No, well...
it's a problem.
We take so long. I mean, here are these soldiers that need to find out what is happening with their life. There is Mr. Clark's family who also needs to find out what's going on with their life. And 6 years later. So where this did there 6 years ago? Like after it happened.
Maybe they were
somebody said, let's not go through all of this because we have a certificate of immunity, and then we argue whether it's valid, and then we reach court. So what have we been doing for 6 years?
Yeah.
6 years?
It's a valid question. I mean, I know we're under-resourced and understaffed in that sector and so on.
Yeah. But let's see where it goes, because if them have immunity, what we're going to do? Okay.
One more minister
in
the spotlight, health minister this time, defending the decisions in the Cornwall Regional Hospital crisis, which Daly says is really a good springboard for us to discuss what's going on in other hospitals. Because you had somebody talk to you yesterday about something going on in Spanish Town.
And I see people on social media talking about St. Anne's Bay. The hospital, we don't know why we won't accept things. Say, right, it come like you live in our house and you see one roach, and you say, oh, I just want one roach. Let me kill him and go on. If you see one roach, some more roach out there, we must just accept and say, okay, my house have roach, I'm going to spray the house. No, the health system it needs fixing, and every now and then something happens and we say, oh, the health, this hospital or that hospital, the entire health system in Jamaica, we need to sit down and just seriously think about how we're going to fix it.
And health. Or should I put them in the reverse order?
Well, two of them are run for a time now, because somebody tell me if you see the courthouse.
Yes.
Some of the courthouse that people have to go into.
Yes.
I mean,
they're not enough, and the ones that are around are in
so Chris Stopton is saying that he acted responsibly in taking action once the knowledge was there that the contaminants existed and required action was taken.
So mold was found.
12 varieties. So not just one, 12. In a PAHO report. Now, if PAHO, I don't know how it works, but if PAHO has to go in and assess it and then report on it, means that initially we agree there's a problem. But you're not calling a spray man unless you know.
But he said PAHO also said at the time, because there was a recommendation to close the hospital last year, he said PAHO said it wasn't practical, which is why it was not done.
To close it?
Yes. So apparently what they did was move to renovate a floor that was not contaminated, maybe, to try and move the folks down there. But then people are now complaining that that area is, the whole hospital seems to have...
Well, $500 million spent so far to fix it.
It's not fixed. So that might have been
for the $500 million.
Yeah.
So I understand there's a lot of things that don't add up to me. I mean, I say something fishy, I say it don't add up to me. So I want somebody to take a calculator and add it up for me and make me understand where I'm going. We're wrapping, but happy to hear that Minister Wheatley had a bit of a scare yesterday.
Yes.
Happy to hear he's well.
Yes.
I know the Honorable Babsy, I was going to say back on her feet, but Babsy never stopped working.
Yes, that is probably why she got sick.
Yes.
Because she keeps going.
Never stopped working, still working.
Yep.
So I'm happy to hear.
Glad she has Alanda now, though, to help her with the workload.
Yes.
Johan Blake defeated at South African Springs shock victory 100-meter final. I think Johan walked away with bronze. So we say congratulations to...
Thank you, Johan.
Yes.
Thank you.
I had to settle for bronze. Okay.
You're like defeated.
Did you see the article that talks about our artists being outclassed?
And I did say outclassed is a strong word. We really need to work on our semantics when we're reporting on things, you know. We never see America people talk about them people, so we need to be here.
Do we have a video of Johan? Are we going to play it? Yes.
Right. Right.
Lining up. Beast, once the beast, now blessed. And here he goes out of the blocks. Looks good in his heat. Boy, Dilla. Just like they said, the ball is round in track and field. This is what it is. Today you're first, tomorrow you're second, another day you're third. Some days, as Elaine finished, I think she was close to 8th or something the other day, and she said, once I finish healthy, I win.
Okay.
So, because she can move on
and
to the next race.
And once you qualify at that level, you win for me. Good.
I'm saying though. Okay. Any birthdays today, Miss Birthday Girl?
Happy birthday to everybody who born today. Happy birthday. Today's what day though?
Oh my God.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Everybody who born today.
Can somebody just master? Take it, master.